Hey, what's up guys, this is Kayl here back with another video, and today in this video I'll be giving away my displacement packs that I use for absolutely free. With that being said, let's get started. Basically, I have used a lot of displacements in the past, so I thought why not share them with you. So it's easy as that. Go to the link in the description. The link will be available after 5 likes. When you click on the link, download the file, extract it, then open up Photoshop, then open or create the file that you want, then go to filters and then displacement, then add displacement. Then select the ratio, then click on OK, and then select the PSD file from one of them that I provided, and yeah, that'll be it. You'll get your image more displaced, more distorted, and yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Click on the bell icon so you never miss another upload. It's me, Kayl, signing off. Peace out.